In this video, you will learn about the dynamics of using a discipline in beecrowd academic, including exercise lists and programming contests. We will show how these activities are made available to students on the beecrowd talent platform and how they can access and complete them in a practical and intuitive way. The complete process of creating disciplines, exercise lists, and contests, as well as all their functionalities, is covered in detail in other videos of this tutorial. At the end, we will briefly explain the benefits of integrating your educational institution's LMS with beecrowd academic. With this integration, professors and students can access all activities directly through the institution's virtual learning environment via the beecrowd academic institutional plan. As shown in previous videos, the discipline is the highest level of the hierarchy within beecrowd academic. It may include students who will have access to activities such as exercise lists and programming contests. After the creation and availability of these activities by the professors, students begin to access them directly through the academic menu located in the top header of the beecrowd talent platform. While students use beecrowd talent to solve coding challenges and receive automated feedback, professors monitor progress in real time through beecrowd academic. In this example, we show a discipline that contains a homework and a programming contest. The homework has 10 problems, also known as coding challenges, which in this example must be solved by students using C++, Java, or Python. The contest in this example includes 5 problems that must be solved exclusively in Python. On the beecrowd talent interface, students have access to the discipline and its respective activities. When entering the exercise list, they see the 10 problems selected by the professor, the deadline for completion, and the available programming languages to solve the challenges. When accessing the contest, they gain access to the 5 problems provided within it. It is important to note that all these activities have start and end dates, and if students try to access them before the start or after the deadline, access will not be possible. As soon as students begin solving the problems, professors can monitor everything in real time through the beecrowd academic control panels. Information such as the number of attempts, submitted code, error, or success messages are recorded and made available for analysis. For each problem, students must develop a code using the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, available on the beecrowd talent platform in the programming languages previously defined by the professor. After development, the codes are submitted so that the platform can execute and evaluate them in real time. Additionally, professors can send comments to students individually or in batches with the support of Beatrice, beecrowd's artificial intelligence. These comments are signaled to students through the bell icon in the upper right corner of the beecrowd talent screen. Clicking on it, students can access the professor's observations. For individual or group plans from beecrowd that do not include integration with LMS, learning management system, platforms of educational institutions, each student must have their own beecrowd talent account created to access activities. This creation can be done autonomously, in a self-service model, or in an assisted manner. By including the student's email in a discipline, the professor triggers the automatic sending of a message from beecrowd with a link. When accessing this link, the student is directed to the registration screen on the beecrowd talent platform, where their account will be created and they will be enrolled in the corresponding discipline. In beecrowd's institutional plans, which offer direct integration with the institution's LMS, neither professors nor students need to worry about creating accounts. When accessing beecrowd through the links provided within the LMS, in this example, we show the Canvas LMS and D2L Brightspace screens. Login is automatically performed via SSO, single sign-on, without the need to enter a username and password. On the first access, the account is created automatically and transparently, ensuring a smooth and integrated experience. The integration between the institution's LMS, virtual learning environment, and the beecrowd platform allows students' grades to be automatically sent to the LMS as they complete activities on beecrowd talent. This way, professors can monitor students' performance directly through the LMS in real time and also utilize all the reporting and data analysis features offered by the platform itself. We hope this video has helped clarify how the dynamics of using the disciplines, homework, and contests created by professors on beecrowd academic work and made available to students on beecrowd talent. Don't forget to watch the other videos in this tutorial, where we explain each feature of the platform in a practical, straightforward, and accessible way. See you next time.